Himachal Pradesh is a state bigger in territory than the Netherlands, but smaller in population. It can be described as one of the jewels in the Indian crown because though it is a small state in relative terms compared to the rest of India or other states, it is one of the states with the fastest economic growth in the country. It is a state with very high human development indices. It is a hotspot for biodiversity. It is known for its thick and rich forests. It has been a major destination for tourism from the rest of India as well as abroad. Honorable Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Shri Jairam Singh Thakur, Honorable Industries Minister Bikram Singh, senior officials from the Himachal government, business representatives from Himachal, friends from the Netherlands. It is my great privilege and honor to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh and his delegation. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. We are gathered here today to discuss the Rising Himachal Global Investors Meeting, which is being organized later this year, and the delegation will talk in detail about this meeting. But permit me to say that another important similarity between the state of Himachal Pradesh and the country of Netherlands is the fact that despite being small, despite the geographical terrain not being the most conducive for economic growth, for them it is the mountainous terrain. Here in the Netherlands, it is the fact that this is the lowlands, 1/3 of the country being under the sea level. Despite this, like the people of Netherlands, the people of Himachal Pradesh are known for their resilience, are known for their enterprise, and are known for their hard work. There is a stable government and there is a very friendly bureaucracy, very keen to promote business in the state, to attract foreign investors to the state, and to take the people of the state forward on the path of economic growth under the leadership of the Honorable Industries Minister and the Honorable Chief Minister. Permit me to also add that the state government enjoys excellent relations with the central government. The Chief Minister and Industries Minister belong to the same political party as Prime Minister Modi, who has recently been re-elected back to power at the central government with a new mandate of another 5 years. And friends, let me tell you that you can probably travel to any part of the world and do business there and make money. But the big difference you will find with India, and I'm sure those amongst you who are familiar with India will attest to this, is that in India, not only will you make profits, not only will your business flourish and succeed, but you will also end up making friends for life. In India, along with business, what we offer you is a relationship. What we offer you is a family. The welcome that you receive in India will be unmatched or will be as good as the best you can find anywhere in the world, and you will come back building for yourself friends forever. So choose India, choose Himachal Pradesh, travel to India, do business with India, invest in India. Thank you so much.